Hello everyone, I'm Mara Benitez, Library Assistant at the Seguin Public Library. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fold a jar full of lucky stars. To get started, you'll need either the sheet of inspirational quotes that you can get on our website at library.seguintexas.gov, or you can use a plain sheet of copy paper and a pen to handwrite our notes of encouragement. You can also use paper in different colors, however you'll want to try to stick to a thinner paper like printer paper rather than cardstock, as this will make it easier when forming our stars. First, cut your sheets of paper lengthwise into half-inch strips. If you have the sheet of quotes from our website, just cut between each line of words. You might need to cut a little extra off of the first and last lines. If you'll be handwriting your words of encouragement, now is the time to do it. Write your notes on one side of the paper, as the other side is what we'll be showing on the outside of the star. To begin forming your stars, take one of the strips of paper quote side up. We're going to tie a knot in our strip. Take one end of the strip and cross it behind the middle of the quote, forming a loop. Fold that short tail up and through the loop and gently pull it tight, forming a small pentagon at the center of the knot with a long tail and a short tail. You might have to tug and adjust a bit to get it to the right shape before flattening it between your fingers. Take the short tail and tuck it into the back side of the pentagon. You can trim the end of it if it is too long. Take the long end and wrap it around the pentagon, alternating angles so that it keeps its shape. Avoid creasing it too tightly, as this will make the last step easier. When you reach the end, tuck this tail just like you did with the other. Again, you might need to trim a bit, just depending on your paper size. Now, hold your pentagon around the edges. The reason you want to do this is because pressing on the top and bottom of the pentagon can make your star cave in once you start shaping it. With your other hand, press your fingernail into one of the flat edges, pinching and pushing it into the center of the pentagon to make a point of the star. Repeat this around until you have a nicely formed, puffed star. You can pass these stars on as gifts of encouragement to loved ones, or fill a jar for someone special as a gift. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep an eye out on our social media for more activities and crafting tips, tricks, and ideas.